Welcome guys, and welcome to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and a very big shout to those who have already subscribed. So today we'll be talking about two different ICOs. We're talking about Swapy network, and then we'll be talking about NEXOBANK. So what is Swapy in a nutshell seeking to do? What Swapy wants to do is that they have three things, three value proposition they are bringing up before the people. The first one is the Swapy exchange. So the Swapy exchange is a platform that will connect those who need credit, and they are in countries that have high interest rates, with those who can offer this credit in countries that have low interest rates, so that they can actually profit, and so that those who need these things can actually get the loan to do whatever they want to do. And then they want to bring in a form of ID that individuals can use anywhere around the world. So let's say, for example, you are from China and you're traveling to any particular country. You will not need maybe different ID. This financial ID can be used any place in the world at any time. It's valid anywhere. And then another thing again, they want to bring in Swapy data market. So your financial data, they want to put you at the hem of it. So you will be the one who will control who and under what terms can anyone access your data, and you decide if you want to give it for free or you want users to actually pay for it and all that. That is Swapy in a nutshell. And one of the amazing things about these platforms, you can see some of the highlights of this project, some of the awards, and they've actually won. And then some of the early investors who have the Dragon as associated. I don't want to make this very, very long. And then this is actually endorsed by guys like Tim Draper, and then Don Tapscott. That is to tell you that this, don't just take it because of this what they are saying, no, but you want to really go into the platform, you want to do your own research and make some decisions for yourself. So that is all about Swapy network. And then moving on, we have Nexo. So Nexo is also seeking to bring credits, or well, let's not say, okay, we have Swapy network seeking to give loans and all that, and then we have Nexo. So what is Nexo seeking to do? First, before we talk about what Nexo is seeking to do, we want to talk about who is behind Nexo. So there's a group that is behind Nexo. This group is called the Credit Simo, and they've been in business for 10 years now, and I think they're a major player in the online instant loans domain, and they've given over 100 million euros since their inception. So that is a very big one to them. So we didn't actually go through the team of Swapy network, but you can go through the team yourself, and then you can see some of their profiles, you can see some of the partners they already have. I don't normally, and some of the institutional investors and advisors and all that. Let's not spend much time on it. So what is Nexo? Okay, I've talked about those 10 years and all that. Okay, so what are the problems they are seeking to solve? One of the problems is about locked financial value. So what they are saying is that there are people who invest maybe in crypto, and then they take it to be a form of security or an investment, that whether you call it security token or utility token, but most of the people who are investing, they perceive a potential, and then they say, we're going to hold this thing for a certain period of time, and then we can sell off and make some profits. So what they are saying is, whether these persons are miners that get maybe daily payouts, or there are people who just buy this and like keep them maybe in a nano wallet, or there are people who keep their money on exchange and all that, but they just keep this thing idle, and they're not everybody is a trader, not everybody have experience and all that. Why not give the platform, why not give this crypto to those who actually need it? So the problem with locked financial values is that they are idle assets. That is one of it, I told you. Then there's slow liquidation process. So let's take, for example, you want to you have an emergency, and where I live, if you have an emergency and you want to convert your crypto to fiat, so you are going to wait till the next day. You sell your crypto and then you get the money the next day, which is not really good. That thing again is there could be possible loss of ownership. So it's not possible to continuously leverage digital assets in order to pursue a lucrative investment opportunity. What that means is that you have a need, and it's something that has really happened to me in crypto. There are times where I have made some good investments, like when you say, let me sell my crypto and then meet this need, I will buy it back. There are times you never buy it back. Not because the money is not there, but you just don't buy it back. There are times like that. So there's this loss of ownership. And then there is expensive and tax inefficiencies and all that. So the more you are withdrawing, you start losing the asset and all that. Then there's cumbersome credit checks. Then there's lack of trust and transparency and all that. So what they are bringing a solution now. Why not unlock this digital asset? You can get access to quick cash, and you can still retain your coins while you get money to do whatever you want to do. So who are some of the clients they will be working with? You have normal cryptocurrency investors, those who invest in online. I talk about miners, cryptocurrency exchangers, gamers and visual reality users, ICU and crypto communities. Then you have hedge funds. So the market is very, very big. So the market they are covering, we have the total digital asset market. You have the tokenized assets like securities, commodities, and all that. Then you have cryptocurrencies. So this is the business model they will be working with. This is the client, and then you have the Nexo platform. So the Nexo using some oracles, they're able to connect to the client in this. So what you have to do, you just transfer your crypto to the overdraft wallet, and then that is your security now. So let's take, for example, now you drop your money, your crypto, you get something, maybe not this world or never, and all that. And when you repay your overdraft, you get back your money. And then they have the Nexo credit card. So this is a kind of card that will enable you to actually get money in fiat currency. So you will not need those many features and all that. You can have your the card is backed by either Visa or MasterCard or whatsoever. You can withdraw money and all that. Then they are bringing a model where there's a system that we use to share the profit between the users and then the platform. Sorry. Okay, you can go through. This is the business model detailed, and the process roadmap. Can go through the team. So some of the guys, some of the advisors, Mike Harrington, the founder of TechCrush and Harrington SRP Capital, and the founder of Polymath, Ugo Berkshis, the leading payment and cards platform. You have Kenneth A. Godwin. Then you have the team. Some guys from Credit Simo. Have a very, very strong team. People who have been in different sectors and all that. So guys, that is all about these two platforms. Please, if you've not hit subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and so that you can be getting notifications when they actually arrive. So do have a very good day, guys.